In the modern economy, being middle class isn't a destination, it's a treadmill that never stops moving. You earn a respectable salary and follow all the traditional rules, but at the end of the month, the math rarely adds up. This is the reality of the middle class tax, not the one the government collects, it's the invisible premium you pay just to participate in society. It starts with the cost of geography and the price of proximity. To access a stable career, you must live where the careers are. This forces you into a housing market that consumes 40% of your take-home pay. Then comes the cost of professional upkeep, the wardrobe, the commuting costs, and the premium for convenience. When you work 50 hours a week, you don't have time to cook, you buy time in the form of expensive takeout. You don't have time to clean, you pay for services to reclaim your weekends. Social pressure adds a layer of performative spending. The need to look successful to be taken seriously in business circles, a better car, a specific zip code, and the right schools for your children. These aren't luxuries, they are perceived entry requirements for the next level. Inflation hits the middle class differently because your lifestyle has a high floor. You are stuck between earning too much for assistance and too little for true security. One unexpected medical bill or a sudden corporate layoff reveals the fragility. The middle class is the engine of the economy, yet it's the one being drained of its oil. True wealth isn't about the size of the paycheck. It's about how much of your life you aren't forced to sell just to break even. The invisible tax is the price of a dream that keeps moving further away.